Good evening friend. Now let us see the problem on the VSEPR theory. Let us check the problem number first. The number of electrons in the valence shell of the central atom of a molecule is 8. The molecule is, now they are saying that is student, that is valence electron. Okay, valence electron they are saying 8, and they have given the option like that. They have given BeH2, that is SCl2 and SF6, and if you talk about BCl3. So there are 4 options they have given, and they are asking that is in which of the following they have the 8 electron in their valence shell. Now let us see on the board, student. You will be able to easily get the answers. So in case of BeCl2 student, its structure is like that, Be and Cl. So there is the only 2 electron is there. So total, if you talk about, otherwise you can draw the Lewis dot structure also for the better understanding. So B is there, student. B is having 2 valence electron and 2 hydrogen atom is there, and here is also 1 hydrogen. So they are sharing their electron. So B is having, after the overlapping sharing, that is how many electron is there in the B's valence shell. So 1 2 3 4. So that is valence electron is equal to 4. So that is A number option is wrong. Now you go for the B number option, student. What could be the B number option? If you check out B number option, so SCl4 is there. So sulfur belongs to group number 14, group number 16. So sulfur is there, student. So 1 2, if you talk about, here is 3 4, here is 3 4, and here is 5 and 6. 2 chlorine atom are there, student. Chlorine is having also valency 1, but that 7 valence electron like this. So you can check out, student. So here what you have to do is, student, this one. So you see the total number of valence electron if you add for the sulfur, student. How many valence electron are there, student? Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So valence electron is 8. So your correct answer is the option number B. So we are not going for the SF6. If you talk about SF6 valence electron, student, so that is 12 valence electron is there. And if you talk about BCl3, here is the 6 valence electron, 6 valence electron. So no need to do, student. Now we got our answer. Our answer is the option number 2. So you can check in the slides also. You will be able to, SCl2 is our correct answer. Now let us move, student, question number 172 and try to find out what is the answer for 172. So 172 is the shape of molecule having 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair of electron. So they are saying that is bond pair is 4 and lone pair is 2. Okay. So let us try to understand, student. Bond pair 4 and lone pair 2. Okay. So here is, you come with the 4 options they have given: square, planar, tetrahedral, linear and octahedral. Now let us come on the board, student, to better understanding. So bond pair 4 and lone pair 2. So molecule type will be, student, AB4, and that is L2 type. Okay. So AB4 means 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair. So how that is total pair, if you talk about, that is total electron pair, student, how much there is? 4 to 6. And 6 pair means, student, distribution is octahedral. So how can we distribute that is octahedral? So suppose we are having that is A molecule, student, that is 4 bond pair like that we are putting in the square planar. This is the 4 bond pair. And then 2 lone pair will be, that is far away from each other. So this one lone pair here down and 1 pair is up. So this is the B and B. So our correct option will be, student, that is square planar. So now you check with the option, student, that is 172. If you go in the slides, student, that is the very first option they have given is square planar. So correct answer will be, student, is square planar. That is option number 1. And other are some tetrahedral and whatever the other is given, that's all are the wrong options. Now let us move question number 173. The shape of PCl5 molecule. In the morning lecture I already explained, student, the shape of PCl5. What will be the shape, student? So let us see, student, PCl5 shape they are asking. PCl5 shape. So here come on the board, student. They have given octahedral, square pyramidal, trigonal, bipyramidal and pyramidal. So let us come on the board, student. PCl5 they are shape they are asking. So total pair, electron pair, if you talk as student, so that is electron pair is equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Lone pair is 0 because 5 valence electron is there, phosphorus, and 5 bond. So that is 5, bond pair is 5 plus 0. So electron pair is how much, student? 5 pair. And if you talk about electron pair 5 5, so distribution of the electron pair will be trigonal. What student? That is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. How trigonal bipyramidal? If the suppose P will be here in the center, so firstly you draw the trigonal, student. How can you draw the trigonal? You can check it out like this. So phosphorus is like this, student. Here is phosphorus. So here is one bond will be going, one bond here and one bond here, and that is here is one Cl, and top one Cl and bottom one Cl. So this structure is what, student? This is trigonal, and up one pyramid is here and one pyramid is here. So trigonal PCl5 structure is trigonal bipyramidal. So which number option is correct, student? You can check with the shape of PCl5 molecule in the 173 question. Option number 3 is correct, trigonal bipyramidal. Now move question number 174. If you talk about question number 174, student, in CCl4 the 4 valence electron of carbon atom are directed towards the corner of, okay. So 175 they are saying, student, what is CCl4 is there, CCl4. So that is the lone 4 valency of the carbon are directed towards what, student? If you let us come on the board, student, 175. So CCl4, if you talk about CCl4, so that is electron pair is equal to bond pair plus lone pair. So carbon is having only 4 electrons, so 4 covalent bonds, so bond pair is 4 and lone pair is 0. If 4 pair is there, student, the distribution is tetrahedral, okay, tetrahedral. So now how they are saying in CCl4, where will be the carbon or CCl4 valency of the carbon are directed towards the corner of what, student? Tetrahedral structure. C will be like that. Here is Cl, this is Cl, this is Cl, and here is Cl. So if you match it out, student, what it will be able to get, that is this is the structure is tetrahedral. This structure is what, student? This structure is tetrahedral structure. You will be able to know. So let us see with the option, student, in the 175. So correct option will be option number 4, tetrahedron they have given, and that is the correct answer, student. I am not going for the, okay. So 175 if you are going, student, that is tetrahedron. I had one question left, student, 174. I think we missed the 174. Let us move that is again read out the 174. So which is the not a linear molecule? Which is not linear molecule? So they are saying that is not linear. So not linear, student, if you talk about CO2 is given, C2H2 is given, what is the HCN is given, and what is another is H2O is given. Dear student, come to the board and try to know the structure of this one. Not linear, if you talk about CO2 is the linear, student, C double bond O and double bond O, okay, this is the linear. Okay, if you talk about that is C2H2, C double bond C, and here is what is triple bond, here is hydrogen and here is hydrogen. So this is linear, student, and this is also what is linear. If you talk about the HCN, so H single bond C triple bond N, so this is also linear. And if you talk about that is H2O, student, so it is having the lone pair electron, student. Oxygen is having belongings to group number 16, so 6 pair are there, so that is 6 electron are there, so 2 lone pair and 2 bond pair. So here is H and here is H. So what will there, the shape of the H2O molecule is the bent. So this is the not a linear. So our correct option will be, student, if you check in the option, so what will the option number 4 is the correct for 174 question. Option number 4 is correct. Now let us move, student, 176. What is there, student? In the 176, the ratio of the number of lone pair on the central atom in ammonia, okay, in water, and XeF2. So here is the NH3 is there, student, then H2O is there, and then XeF2 is there, XeF2. So they are saying ratio of the lone pair of the central atom. So come on the board, student, to understand. Ammonia, you know, student, group number 15, so 5 electron is there. So 5 electron means 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. So here will be the 1 lone pair. You can do with the configuration, student. I am going little shortcut. If water, if you talk about the, student, water, it is having the 6 electrons. So 6 electron is, it means what, student? 2 bond pair it will form, like that 2 bond pair, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen. And what will be there, student? 2 lone pair. So here will be the 6 electrons. So safe will be what, student? If you talk about, here is lone pair is what, student? 1, and here is lone pair. How much is there, student? That is 2. And if you talk about XEF, so it belongs to group number 18, student. So how much structure will be there? You see, that is the 8 electron is there. So 8 electrons, so here is it will go. If you talk about that is Xe, student. So here is the 8 electron, it means 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 here 7, 8. And here it will form the bond with the F, here is, and it will also form the bond with the F. So here will be the structure. If you talk about this, student, so here is the covalent bond will be there with XEF. So here, and this one is the lone pair electron will be the total lone pair electron. If you talk about, student, 3. So ratio, if you are talking about ratio, student, so how much coming? 1:2:3. Because here is the xenon is having how many the lone pair electron, student? Total electron is 8. So 2 to 4 to 6, and here is 1 1 7. So that is 1 1 here. That is the ratio is 1 to 3. And now you come in the slide, student. The correct option will be option number 3. Now let us move with the question number 177, student. What they are saying, the CO2 has the same geometry H. Okay, CO2 has the same geometry H. So 177, question number 177. So C double bond O, this is having the same geometry. They are asking with which one is having. So now come on the board, student. That is some option they have given that we are going to do on the board. So CO2 is there, student, and when you are talking about that is HgCl2, student, so HgCl here is the, okay, the linear structure, okay, shape is the same geometry. If you talk about that is, this is the A number, and if you talk about B, student, so B is having the bent shape, student. B is the having bent shape because of the one electron is there. And if you talk about that is C, student, SnCl2, it is also having the lone pair electron, group number 14. So here is Cl, so it is also bent shape, okay, but we need that is linear. If you talk about C2H2, D number, so what is there? C triple bond C, here is hydrogen, and here is also hydrogen. So they are saying that is the CO2 is having same geometry, that is same geometry. So A and D is the correct linear. A and D is the what, student? This is linear. So correct option will be option number 3. Option is 3 is correct option, student. Now let us move the next question. If you talk about that is 178, student. What is 178? Which species have maximum number of lone pair electron on the central atom? Okay. So few species they have given, student, and they are asking that is which is having the maximum number of the lone pair electron. So one option they have given ClO3 minus, and then XeF4 is there, okay. Now SF4 is there, and I3 minus is there. Now let us move, student, and try to understand this question 178 quite better. Nice question this is, okay. So maximum number of lone pair electron they are talking. So Cl is having how many electron, student? Cl is 7. So 7 here is what Cl will do, student. If you talk about Cl, so Cl is having that is 3 oxygen atoms are there. Okay, so for 3 oxygen atom, how we will be able to do this? Okay, so here the structure will be like this, student. This is the structure. Okay, O minus will be there. So that is 2 to 4. This is the 5, and one lone pair electron will be there. Okay, so lone pair electron, if you talk about, this is 1. And XeF4, if you talk about, student, 8 electron is there. I am doing little fast, student. If you are not able to understand, you can ask again. F is there. Here is also F, and here is F. So here if you can put here, the lone pair electron will be here down, and one is the up. So total electron pair, if you talk about, student, in this molecule, so lone pair electron is 2. If you talk about SF4, so SF4, student, if you talk about SF4 molecule, so sulfur is group number 16. So sulfur is like this there, student, and how you can do, one lone pair electron will be like this here, and distribution will be trigonal bipyramidal, and here is the F, and here is F. So here is lone pair is also, student, how much is coming? 1 only, because SF4 that is 6 electron. So 6 electron means 4 bond and 1 lone pair. If you talk about the I3 minus, student, I3, this is nice structure. If you talk about I, so I3, if you talking, student, if you talk about I3, so structure of I3 is like this. Here is the I and here is the I minus, and here is the lone pair electron. If you talk about student, so lone pair electrons are there, 3 lone pair electron. So here is our LP is equal to how much student? This is 3. Here is 1. So maximum number of lone pair electron in which number is there student? Option number 4, I3 minus. So you can go with the option 178. Option number 4 is correct. Now 179 you move student. 179. CO2 is not isostructural with. CO2 is not isostructural with. Okay. So that is CO2. They are asking isostructural means same structure student. So I am having the HgCl2, then SnCl2, already that is C2H2, and now next one is ZnCl2. Dear student, come on the board to understand this one, 179 number problem. So a CO2 is having the structure student C double bond O, C double bond O. This structure is known as what student? This is the linear structure. अब they are saying that is CO2 is not isostructural with. अब HgCl2 student, if you talk about HgCl2, this is the linear. Okay, HgCl2 is what student? This is the linear. अब SnCl2 it is bent student. Sn. अब Sn group number, this belongs to group number 14. So here is this is the Cl. So this is already we got student. Our option is here is the option number 2. And C2H2 you know student, this is also C triple bond C, here is hydrogen and here is hydrogen, so it is also linear. And if you talk about ZnCl2, so here is Cl and here is Cl student, so this is also linear. So correct option will be SnCl2 student. You can check in the slides also. So 179, the correct option is option number 2. Now let us move student. You can move with question number 180. What they are saying in the question number 180 student, if you talk about the question number 180, let us see student. Okay, so what they have done here student, 1 second. Okay, sorry, let us shifting the slides student. 179 over student 180. So now let us see student 180. In NO3 minus ion, number of bond pair and lone pair electrons are nitrogen atom. So NO3 minus ion they have given student. NO3 minus, they are saying a lone pair and how much number of bond pair. Firstly they are asking bond pair and that is next one is lone pair electron. Okay. So which one? The molecule is NO3 minus. Now let us come on the board student for the better understanding. NO3 minus, first of all you draw the structure. And if you are going to draw the structure student, what is the structure? So NO3 structure is like this student, that is it form the double bond with one oxygen and coordinate bond with another oxygen, and with this one is also is form the, you can see here it form the sharing of the electron I minus, it will donate here. So if you talk about that is here the number of the, if you talk about number of bond pair, so bond pair is coming how much student? 4. And lone pair if you talk about that is there is no lone pair with the nitrogen, so 0. So if you match with the option student, so option number, which option is correct student? If you talk about that is NO3, so that is 4. So 40. The 2 they are saying 3 1, that is also wrong, and 1 3. So NO3 number of bond pair and lone pair electrons on nitrogen atom. So question number 180 student, this question is quite wrong question, because the 4 bond pair they are not mentioning in any of the option, but we are getting the number of bond pair is 4. Okay, so bond pair is 4, lone pair is 0. So here the options are wrong student, options are wrong. So correct option, if you are talking about the most probable option, will be the option number 4. But here this option is wrong. 40 is correct answer. Number of bond pair is 4. Now let us move 181 student. What is there? In OF2 molecule, total number of bond pair and lone pair electrons are respectively. So OF2 molecule is there student, and bond pair and lone pair they are asking. So let us check student in the one OF2 molecule. So oxygen is there student. Here is oxygen is having group number 16. So group number 16, it means that is it is having the how many 6 electrons are there, student. So it will form that is 2 bond pair and that is 2 lone pair. So bond pair is equal to 2 and lone pair is equal to 2. This is very simple, student. So that is 2 2. You can check with the option, student. In the OF2 molecule, total number of bond pair and lone pair of electron are present. Okay, this question is quite different question they are asking, student. What they are asking, that is in the molecule they are asking. They are not asking for the central atom. So if they are asking for the total as a whole molecule, student, then we have to check with the different way. So how we will be able to check with the different way, student, in the molecule? So here I am erasing and then I am telling with the what is the fluorine. Here is 2 to 4 to 6 7 electron, 2 to 4 to 6 7 electron. Here is one bond. So if you talk about bond pair is 2, no problem. Lone pair how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Lone pair is 8. So 2 8. You can check with the option, student. Option number 2 is correct option. Okay, now 182. If you go with the 182, the geometry of ClO3 ion according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory will be ClO3 minus ion. So you check, student. 182 is there. You come what the on the board, student. ClO3 minus, here we come. So I told you the hybridization, you better to calculate hybridization is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket V plus M, B plus M minus C plus A. This is shortcut formula for hybridization. So 1 by 2 number of valence electron with the chlorine how much, student? 7 plus monovalent is 0, oxygen are divalent. Minus, here is cation is 0 and anide is how much, student? Minus 1. So here you see, student, how much is coming? Minus into minus plus, so 1 by 2, 7 plus 8. So that is 2 4 is 8, 4 is coming. 4 means what? sp3. sp3, student, that is what, student? It will come, that is sp3. Geometry is that sp3. Now we have to check with the shape, student. Distribution you can ask. Distribution will be the tetrahedral. Distribution is tetrahedral. But they are asking what, student? They are asking the geometry of ClO3 molecule. Okay, so if you talk about the geometry of ClO3 molecule, student, so the trigonal pyramidal will be the shape, okay, and tetrahedral will be the geometry. So if you talk about the 182, the correct answer will be the geometry is that is option number 3. You can check with the option, student. The geometry of ClO3 ion according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory will be tetrahedral, student. Okay, and if they are asking the shape, student, shape will be the pyramidal shape. Okay, now let us move, student. 183. What is the question? The shape of formaldehyde molecule as per the VSEPR theory. Now 183 question, see, student, on the board here. Formaldehyde is there, student, HCHO. So the shape of the HCHO, student, that is here is C double bond O, here is hydrogen and here is hydrogen. If you check out, student, this is the what is structure is the trigonal planar. The structure is trigonal planar. So what would be the correct option if you talk about the student trigonal planar? So if you talk about the option, student, that is the, you say 183, option number 2, student, planar triangle is given. So correct option will be, that is option number 2. Now question number 184, which of the following molecule is linear? Which of the following molecule is linear? So if you talk about the linear, student, so this is, okay, see, they are asking the linear, student, and 4 options they have given. What is the SO2, NO2 positive, student, that is NO2 negative, and that SCl2. Now let us come on the board, student, to better understanding. If you talk about SO2, student, so as 6 electron is there, so student, here is the 4 electron, it will form double bond, and here will be the lone pair electron. So this is the what, student, this is the bent shape only. Okay, if you talking about the NO2, student, NO2 positive, so it is having what, that is double bond O and double bond O, and here will be, student, if you talk about, here will be the 1 electron. So that is positive charge is there, student, so it will acquire, that is positive charge. So this is what, student, this is the linear. Okay, and if we talk about NO2 minus, so NO2 minus, here is the lone pair electron, student, and here is the 1 negative charge, and here is the double bond. So it is also, that is bent shape. SCl2, student, So sulfur is there. If you talk about, here is 2 lone pair electron will be there, and here is Cl and here is Cl. So it is also bend shape. So correct answer will be, student, NO2 positive. Here is sp hybridization will be there, student. So correct structure will be 184. That is the option number 2. NO2 positive is the correct answer. 185, student, if you are going 185. So they are saying, in which of the following orientation of electron pairs and shape of the ions is similar? Okay, orientation of electron pair and shape is similar. So orientation and shape is similar. So let us move, student. What are the options they have given? If you check with the option, student, okay, so we will go, that is 185. They are saying orientation and shape. Orientation equal to shape. Both is the same in which case, student. So let us move on the board, student. Okay, so orientation, if we talk about the orientation, student, orientation. So this is option number 1. I am selecting, student, option number 1. So what is there? ClO4 minus. ClO4 minus is there, student. And in the case of this ClO4 minus, student, what we have to do, we have to check, that is total number of electron pair or bond pair. Firstly, you see, student, if you talk about this one, hybridization. So if you talk about hybridization, 1/2, and in bracket V plus M minus C plus A. Okay, so if you talk about this, student, how many valence electron is there? 1/2. Number of valence electron with the chlorine, that is 7. Monovalent is 0 because oxygen is divalent. Minus cation is 0, anion is -1. So here is like that. So how much is coming? 1/2 and into 8. So it is 4 is coming, student. 4 means sp3. sp3 means what, student? Tetrahedral. अब now, student, if it is tetrahedral, so if you draw the structure, student, so how will be the structure? Here is Cl double bond O, 4 atoms are there, O, here is also O, and here is O minus. So here you see, student, orientation, if you talk about this, and shape is, both are the same, student. Tetrahedral and orientation both are same in the case of CClO4 minus. That is why our option will be, correct option will be, student, option number 1. Correct option number 1. Because of lack of time, student, we are not discussing other option. But if you are getting confusion, I will discuss other option also. Now let us move, student, 186. The total number of lone pair electron in XeOF4. Okay, lone pair electron they are asking, student, in XeOF4 is there, student. Okay, so come on the board, student, if you are no. So Xe is having how many electron, student? Xe is having 8 electron. So 8 electron how? So 1 fluorine will be like that, student. That is a square planar like that. So here is the 4 electron used, student. And if you talk about, that is this oxygen will be there, student. So here it will donate the 1 electron, and here will be the lone pair electron. So if you talk about the total number of lone pair electron, student, so what would be the total number of lone pair electron will be, student? That is the 1, because here it will form the 1 coordinate bond and 4 covalent bond. It is like that. Its structure is like this, student. Or you can say the structure is also, you can draw like that, Xe double bond O, and here is the square planar structure. Here is F, here is F, here is F, and here is F. So like this structure is like this, student, and here will be the lone pair electron. So this is what, student, number of lone pair electron is 1. So you match with the option, student, 186. Option number 2 is correct. Option number 2, here is one option. Now 187, student, which of the following is planar structure? Which of the following is planar structure? So there are 4 options they have given, student. XeO4, that is the tetrahedral structure, student. XeO3F, that is again tetrahedral structure. XeO2F2, so this is the XeO2F2, it is seesaw shape, student. If you talk about option number 4, directly I am discussing, student, XeF4. Okay, if you are not able to understand, you can ask from the message box, I will explain again. XeF4, we are taking option number 4, student. So if you talk about Xe is having, that is 8 electron, student, in the noble gas. So here is one bond, and here is this side 1 bond, and this side 1 bond. So that is 4 pair they have formed here, 4 pen. And if you talk about the lone pair electron, here is 1 lone pair, and here is lone pair. So if you talk about, they are asking, that is which of the following is planar. So this is the square planar structure is good. Square planar. So this is the option number 4 is correct, student. If you talk about option number 4, other are the tetrahedral option, student. This is option number 4 is the square planar. So correct option will be option number 4. Now let us move, student. Question number 188. What they are saying, student? If they are saying H2O and ClO have the different bond angle D2. Okay. So number of lone pair electron with the central atom, that is okay. If you draw the structure, student, if you draw the structure, okay. So what we will do, hybridization is different, repulsion are more among the bulky chlorine atom. Okay, the correct option is option number 3, student. You can check on the board also. Here you see they are saying that is H2O structure, student, and there is Cl2O. Okay, if you see the structure, student, here is the bend shape, hydrogen. Okay, hybridization is sp3 in this case, and if you talk about that is O, here is Cl and here is Cl, and here is the lone pair, here is lone pair, so it is also sp3. Okay, both are is having sp3 hybridization. Now if you talk about, student, this one is having a small size, chlorine is having a small size, and that too is having the lone pair electron. So repulsion will be very high in this case. Repulsion are more among the bulky chlorine atom. So this is the H2O and Cl2 have the different bond angle. This bond angle are different. Why, student? This is the only one electron, student. No, the lone pair electron on hydrogen. So the repulsion will be less, student, in case of this one H2O, but here will be more. So that is correct option will be option number 3, student. What they are saying, repulsion is more among the bulky chlorine atom in Cl2O. Now let us move, student. Option number question number 189. Which of the following is correct set? Okay. So correct set, if you talk about, student, H2O sp3 angular, that is correct. Option number 2, H2O sp2 no linear, that is wrong. Okay. So there, which one is the following is the correct set they are asking, student. So that is option number 3, NH4 plus DSP square, that is wrong, student. sp3 hybridization. CH4 DSP2 wrong. So correct option will be 189, student. 189, option number 1 is correct, option number 1. Why, student? If you talk about H2O, so they have said here you can see, student, H2O. So hybridization if you want to calculate, so what is 1 by 2, and number of that is valence electron with the oxygen 6 plus monovalent is 2. So how much will come? Cation and anion is 0. Okay. Minus C plus A is there, 0 plus 0, student, no need to write here. So that is 1 by 2 into 8, how much coming? 4. 4 means sp3, that is correct. And shape is how, student? O is here lone pair, here is lone pair, and here is hydrogen. So either you say bent, or you can say, student, this is the angular, that is the both name are the correct. Buoyant or angular, both are the name are correct. So correct option will be 189, option number 1 is the correct. Now you move with question number 190, student. What is the question number 190? Here if you see the question number 190, student, almost we have the finishing, student. Only few questions are left now. So 190 question, in which of the following is correct set with the reference of the molecular formula and hybridization state and shape of the molecule? CO2 sp2 hybridization, okay. Bent shape, no. First is the wrong, student. This is the linear shape. H2O sp2 bent. No, student. Option number 2 is they are saying which of the following is the correct set with the reference of molecular formula. That is H2O is the sp3 hybridization, student. BCl2, student, sp, that is linear. Okay. So correct option if you talk about, that is option number 3 is correct, student. 190 if you talk about BeCl2, student. So BeCl2. Let us move on the board, student. BeCl2. So what is that is hybridization if you want to calculate, student. This is 1 by 2, B plus M minus C plus A. So 1 by 2, and number of valence electron with the beryllium is 2. Number of monovalent is 2 chlorine atom minus 0 plus 0. So that is no cation, no anion. So that is 1 by 2 into 4. How much coming, student? 2. 2 means what, student? SP, and SP is linear. So that is a tricky question, easily you can do. The correct option will be option number 3. Now question number 191. The shape of AB3E molecule. B is bond pair, E is the lone pair. So it is there AB3E is, student. Okay. Now let us see on the board, student, but for better understanding. AB3 is there, student. Total pair. Electron pair, how much, student? 3 bond pair. Electron pair means bond pair plus lone pair. So that is bond pair is 3 plus lone pair 1, that is 4. 4 means distribution is tetrahedral. Okay, tetrahedral. So and the shape is what, student? See, that is A is there, here is the B atom, here is the B atom, here is B, or and the here on top lone pair is there. So what is the shape, student? Shape is what? Trigonal pyramidal. So shape is what, student? This is the trigonal pyramidal. So correct option, if you do, student, that is the question number 191, that is option number 2. Pyramidal is correct answer, option number 2. Now let us move, student, 192. In which of the following pairs of two species that are not isostructural? Okay, not isostructural. I'm directly going, student. Here is the AlF6 and SF6 are there. They are the isostructural because both are having the hexagonal structure, and CO3 and NO3 they are having also the pyramidal structure. And if we talk about PCl4 and SiCl4, tetrahedral structure. But option number 4, if we talk about PF5 and BRF5, they are having the different structure. Directly I am writing, student, PF5 and BRF5. You can check out on the board, student. So if you are going PF5, so PF5, that is trigonal bipyramidal. It is bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. And if you talk about this one, if you talk about the BRF5, student, if you talk about the BRF5, so BRF5, student, it is the shape is a square pyramidal. Shape is, this one is the square pyramidal. Why square pyramidal, student? Because of the presence of one lone pair electron with the bromine. So P is here, student. So here is PF5, you can write like that. Here is F, and here is F and downside F. So this kind of structure is known as what, student? This kind of structure is known as, that is square bipyramidal. This is the structure. And but if you talk about square pyramid, this one is that is trigonal bipyramidal, student. Here is, if you talk about square pyramidal, how, student? How is the structure will come here? So Br is there, the 5 atom will be fitting like that, because bromine is having the 7 electron, student. 5 is forming the bond, but 1 will be the lone pair electron. Okay, so here will be the one lone pair electron like this, and here is the fluorine. So here is the, if you talk about the structure, student, here is square and this is the pyramidal. So one is trigonal bipyramidal, another is square pyramidal. So 192 question, in which of the following pairs the two species is not isostructural? They are not having same structure, that is option number 4. So I think this is all about this test, student. Thank you so much for watching, friend. Now if anyone is having doubt, you can ask again.